In this video, I'll show you the Hisense Smart TV digital audio out setup procedure, following which you can connect a soundbar to your Hisense Android TV with an optical cable. It's super straightforward, so let's see how it's done. To connect your soundbar via optical, you'll need an optical or TOSLINK cable like the one you see here. Now we're gonna plug one end of the cable into the back of our soundbar. You'll just need to match the grooves and then push it firmly until it clicks into place. The other end goes into your TV's optical port that's on the back. Just plug it in properly, and now your soundbar is connected to your Hisense Android TV and should start playing music. In case you don't hear anything, then make sure that your soundbar's output is set to optical and not anything like Bluetooth or ARC. And you can also go to your TV settings, then device preference, scroll down to sound, and from here open digital output and change it from auto to PCM. There's also an option to adjust the SPDIF or optical audio delay in case the sound is not in sync. And that's all there is to it. Now you can enjoy high quality music on your Hisense Android TV.